Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If your Android phone's volume is automatically going up and down, if it has automatic volume changes, in today's video we are going to try out some reset or solutions to fix it. So the number one thing we can do is we can restart our phone. Long press on the power button for that and the menu should appear. You can look out for the restart option and tap on it. Confirm it up to resolve the temporary software glitches that might be causing the problem. Apart from that, you can try updating your software. So head over to settings for that and open it up. And once you open up your device's settings, you may just scroll through the given options and find the option for software update. Go ahead and look out for the update because as you do update your system, it should often fix the bugs. Also, check sound settings. So you can go to settings for that, open up your device's settings, and you can go over to the option called sounds and vibration. And once you are here, you can just go ahead and scroll through the options and go for the option called sound quality and effects or adapt sound. So once you find it up, tap on it. And when you find it up, here you will be finding different options. You can look out for adapt sounds as well, tap on it. And you can just go ahead and turn it off. You can tap on turn off and you can even reset the frequencies for your sound and close this up. And you can also turn off these options such as Dolby Atmos or any kind of upscaler because that can also adjust the volumes automatically. So you may close this up for now. And for more, what you can do is you can adjust the volume controls. You can press on your volume button until this opens up on your screen on your left and right hand side. So you can tap on the three dot more options. And when you tap on it, the pops up. So what you need to do is you can just go ahead and verify the individual volume levels for each of them. You can tap on the three dot for that and verify the volume levels for each of them. And also check if it has volume keys for media enabled or disabled, depending upon your preferences. And you can also go ahead and review the accessibility settings. Go to settings for that. And from here, you may just scroll down and find the option for accessibility. Tap on it. And within accessibility, you can look out for mono audio option or hearing enhancement. Tap on it. And if the option for mono audio is turned on, you can try turning it off and see if it works because that might be causing unusual volume behavior. So therefore, you can try out the solutions if your Android volume is automatically going up and down. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and